Adding new members to the BRICS bloc of developing countries would give the group an impetus to implement its ideology of making the road fairer and non-discriminatory, said Terina, Ethiopia's former ambassador to the United Nations.
So this is very important, for BRICS to implement their cherished idea, their cherished ideology, to make the world, the international order, a just one which embraces all countries equally, without discrimination. So this is good for Africa, good for BRICS. BRICS does not mean it is simply there to fight the Western power and others, but even to cooperate, you need power, you need strength, you need energy, you need respect from others. To have that, you have to be strong.
At the just concluded BRICS summit, 6 countries, namely Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, were officially invited to join BRICS. Their membership will take effect on January 1st, 2024.